Robert Allen Monroe, born in Wabash, Indiana, had a solid career as a broadcasting executive, but his life took an unexpected turn when he began exploring the potential of altered states of consciousness. Monroe not only documented his out-of-body experiences, but he also coined the term, bringing the concept into both popular and scientific discussions. Founder of the Monroe Institute, he emerged as one of the pioneers in the study of consciousness, driven by a quest for answers to help us understand the mysteries of the human mind and the universe. Today, we'll embark on this journey alongside Monroe and discover how his findings shaped a new paradigm for understanding consciousness. In 1958, at the age of 43, Monroe began experiencing strange, intense sensations, like a deep vibration originating from his chest. It was so overwhelming that he felt the need to lie down, believing he was encountering something inexplicable. As he lay down, he had his first of many out-of-body experiences, where, in a state of panic, he realized he was floating above his own body. Initially seized by the fear that he had died, he soon noticed that it was his fear that pulled him back to his physical body. This transformative event marked the start of a series of out-of-body experiences, during which he found himself effortlessly navigating the room, exploring his surroundings like never before. Determined to understand what was happening, Monroe sought medical and psychological help. After consultations with various specialists who confirmed his physical and mental health, Monroe began to consider that these experiences might be more than just hallucinations. Resolute, he chose to pursue a deeper investigation of these phenomena to see what more there was to learn. This decision wasn't easy. Leaving a stable career was a leap into the unknown. But his desire to explore the mind and its possibilities prevailed, leading him to create the Monroe Institute, where he spent the next 3 decades investigating out-of-body experiences and alternative realities. To Monroe, out-of-body experiences were an uncharted field with the potential to revolutionize our understanding of consciousness. Over time, he developed a technology known as hemisync, a technique using binaural beats to induce synchronization between the left and right hemispheres of the brain. Hemisync technology became a groundbreaking tool for those seeking access to expanded states of consciousness and a safer, more accessible way to experience out-of-body journeys. Science soon took an interest in the effects of this method. Tests by independent neurologists revealed significant changes in participants' brain patterns, with brain activity becoming synchronized in both amplitude and frequency. These scientific discoveries were milestones that validated the seriousness and potential of Monroe's research. The development of hemisync caught the attention of the U.S. government, which was seeking new ways to gain an edge during the Cold War. In 1978, Monroe was approached by the CIA to participate in the Gateway Project, a top-secret initiative aimed at using his techniques for consciousness expansion and potentially training soldiers in remote viewing. The idea was that by accessing deep states of consciousness, these soldiers might explore different points in time and even alternative dimensions, giving the U.S. a strategic advantage. Monroe saw this as an opportunity to further legitimize his research and accepted the invitation. Together with his team, he began exploring the concept of remote viewing and the limits of the human mind within a holographic reality. As the research progressed, Commander Wayne McDonald, who led the project, produced a detailed report summarizing the findings so far. The report proposed that the universe is actually a holographic projection, a matrix generated by the interaction between energy and consciousness. McDonald used principles of quantum mechanics to structure his analysis, explaining how human consciousness could transcend the barriers of space-time. According to him, by temporarily separating from the physical body, consciousness could make a dimensional jump, reaching new realities and expanding our understanding of being. This holographic universe model not only broadened our interpretations of reality, but it also laid the foundation for further research on the role of consciousness in shaping the universe itself. To Monroe, hemisync technology was a powerful tool capable of aligning the human mind to an absolute frequency and connecting it to deeper layers of knowledge. Monroe believed that human consciousness could expand beyond physical limitations, transforming individual and collective understanding of reality. Hemisync provided a framework for people to make contact with higher dimensions where elevated forms of consciousness existed. Monroe emphasized that consciousness operates as an organizing force, directing energy and shaping reality. This view was radical, suggesting that our perception doesn't just interpret the world but plays a fundamental role in constructing our everyday reality. Some aspects of Monroe's and MacDonald's findings were seen as controversial, particularly when it came to topics like the holographic nature of the universe and the possibility of accessing information from other dimensions. MacDonald suggested that the Earth itself, like the human body, operates at a specific vibrational frequency that resonates with the Earth's ionospheric cavity. This heartbeat of the planet, as some scientists call it, connects the energy generated by the brain-body system with Earth's natural frequencies. The Gateway Project demonstrated that human consciousness, by tapping into this resonance, could temporarily detach from space-time. These discoveries open new pathways for consciousness studies, contributing significantly to a new understanding of the human mind's role in the universe. Monroe believed that meditation was essential for those who wanted to deeply explore their consciousness capabilities. By using hemisync along with meditation, individuals could access elevated states of awareness and develop intuitive skills, enhancing self-knowledge and connection with higher dimensions. For him, consciousness was the driving force of reality and existence. The process of transcending the physical body offered the possibility of profound self-understanding and reconnection with what he called the absolute field, an omnipresent energy that permeates all dimensions and maintains a constant level of energy. Robert Monroe left a legacy that transcends his time, profoundly transforming the way consciousness is understood. His work not only pushed the boundaries of scientific research on altered states of consciousness, but also popularized the concept of out-of-body experiences. Today, his findings are seen as landmarks in exploring the potential of the human mind and continue to inspire both science and those seeking personal answers about the universe. Hemisync technology, in particular, stands as a testament to the human potential to expand and connect with the essence of the universe. Monroe's legacy remains alive, inspiring both science and the personal quest for answers to profound questions about human potential and the nature of reality. Monroe showed us that, with courage and dedication, it is possible to break the barriers of space and time and access the infinite.